For renewals and tech services companies, we know that managing contracts, assets, and renewals can feel like a mess. Manual systems are overwhelming, and they not only impact recurring revenue and retention, also impact customer service and ability to grow. Owlytica isn't just some tool. It's specific software designed to help tech resellers and maintenance companies who sell, service, and renew technology. Our goal is to give tech services companies and resellers a simple, intuitive platform to manage contracts, assets, and renewals, and make it super easy. With Owlytica, you get a unified platform to quote, contract, portal, and ticket your assets. Now you don't have to spend all this time trying to figure out how to make your CRM system your service platform. Owlytica streamlines your workflow, helps you renew more business, and helps you use the asset data to find more opportunity. Don't let bad systems hold you back. Unlock more growth with Owlytica. Visit our website, schedule a demo, and learn how you can win, service, and renew more business today.